to another video, and hello anyone that is new. My name is Ellis and today I'm sharing a little bit of a different video for what's going to be coming up on my channel over here. It's a little bit of a life update, and not so much a life update, but a little bit to tell you about what's been going on behind the scenes and what's going to be going on going forward from here on out. So without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into telling you a little bit about what's been going on. Okay, so for anybody that doesn't know what I share over on my channel, I have been known for sharing cleaning content, organisation, interiors, parenting, hauls, and I also cover finances, budgeting, law of attraction, manifestation, and just so much more. So I want to give a little bit of backstory about me for anyone that doesn't know who I am, and then I'm kind of going to go on to explain what's actually going on with my channel and things like that. So I started off YouTube about 6.5 years ago now when I was pregnant with my first son, Klayton. I found YouTube because I wanted to find out about a pram. None of my friends had been pregnant or anything like that. And that was kind of how I stumbled upon YouTube. And during that time, I thought I wanted to then help people during my pregnancy because I suffer with pregnancy sickness and prenatal depression and all these different things. And I ended up going back to work, working full-time. I'm a part qualified accountant, working full-time, and wasn't able to fulfill that. And then when I went on maternity leave with my second son, I actually said to myself, do you know what, I'm going to do this, I'm going to go full throttle in, and I worked throughout my maternity. Now, initially when I created my channel, I was going to be sharing pregnancy stuff, baby, toddler things, because that's how old my sons were. And I also wanted to be sharing things that I was really into, like finances and budgeting, because naturally that comes to me because I'm an accountant, and also things that were based around mindset. I just wanted to help people. And I've never been one to start this, and I've never been that person that just wanted to become an influencer, and I still don't want to be that person now. But this enabled me to work around my children and inspire and help so many people. So naturally, I'm a clean freak. I'm diagnosed with OCD, and my parents are like the cleanest, tidiest people you will ever meet in your entire life. The only people that are allowed to make a mess in my parents' home are my sons. I don't know why they get away with it, and I never did. But that's kind of where that came from. And I started to share cleaning content over on my YouTube channel because I love a clean home. Now, people come into my home and say it looks like a show home, and that's not because I want it to look like a show home. That's because I just keep on top of my cleaning and my organising and my tidying, because mess and things not being in their place really set off my anxiety and all things like that. So without kind of waffling too much down that line, I basically started sharing cleaning content because for me it was two birds, one stone. I was getting to share content with you guys, and I was also getting to clean and tidy my home. Now, I never actually really enjoyed sharing the cleaning content in terms of I never enjoyed cleaning, and I don't enjoy cleaning, and I still don't. I love, 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 love a tidy home. I love the relief it gives me from my anxiety and my OCD and having a tidy home. And I absolutely love more than anything else what the end result was when I used to have so many messages from you guys telling me how it had helped your anxiety, it helped you become more organised, you felt better, and it just seemed to inspire and empower so many of you guys. And I ran with that because I loved doing it. I loved editing that content. I loved adding the music and putting it all together. But obviously, I mean, who really, really, really likes cleaning? I mean, there's not many of us, right? So I carried on sharing that content, and my channel kind of grew and grew and grew based off the back of the cleaning content. And back then when I started that, oh my God, it'd be 4 years ago almost, because my little baby's almost 4. When I started that 4 years ago, no one was sharing cleaning content on YouTube. There was nothing like a clean influencer or whatever they want to call them. Nothing like that ever existed, and it kind of grown, and now so many channels share that content, and there's so many places you can get that motivation from. But my channel was never meant to be just solely focused on cleaning, and I grew a huge audience based around that. However, over the past year or so, you would have noticed that my content hasn't been as frequent, and I guess I never created a YouTube channel to directly put my sons in the spotlight, nor did I create this channel to be based around cleaning. That wasn't why I did it, but I loved empowering and inspiring you guys. So with that being said, over the last few years, I've just really lost my passion for sharing that content. even now doing like the voiceovers and stuff like that, it's just not something I love. And I know I can serve you guys so much better through doing something else and sharing my other knowledge with you. And that's why a few of you guys have noticed on my last few videos, but they've been introduced with me talking about mindset, law of attraction and manifestation, personal and self-development. And that's kind of what I want to focus on my channel going forward. So I know so many of you guys are here for the cleaning content. And I know that inspires and motivates you so much, but I also really do feel like my new content can inspire and motivate you also. I believe these videos will empower you not only in business but in your life as a whole, to become maybe a more organised parent, or to perhaps even just implement strategies that you'd never thought of. It might help you in your finances, and it may help you have just a better mindset to be more positive overall. And I really think I can bring that to the table and share that content with you guys. And before I go any further, I just want to say a huge thank you to every single one of you guys that has stuck with me over the past 3 years. You guys are a massive inspiration to me. You like hold my hand through so many different things that I'm going through, and I really do appreciate every single one of you. Now, I do understand that this new content may not be for everybody. However, I'm just at a different part in my life now. And I say this to all my friends, that if it doesn't inspire you, if you don't feel passionate about it, then just don't do it. And I think it's about time that I took my own advice. Over the past 6 months, 4, 5, 6 months, I have been studying to become a professional life and business coach. And that was something that I touched on months and months and months ago. And I've just kind of kept it really under the radar, not really shared too much on it, just because I wanted to get my accreditation to do that. And now I feel like is the time for me to go out and do what I really want to do. And I really want to impact people on a bigger scale, more on their mindset and really how they can change their lives, as opposed to just changing their cleaning habits. So I am completely prepared that some of you guys just come to me for that content, and you might want to go ahead and unsubscribe, and that is completely fine. Please don't feel the need to stick around if you are not interested in mindset and being more positive and how to change your life and self-development and finances and all that stuff. I completely get that. That's not for some people. Some people don't like that motivational content, and that's fine. Now, so many people just go into being a coach. They say they're a coach, they have no training. That's not for me. I wanted to make sure I did it properly. And I've actually trained in breakthrough coaching, I've trained in hypnotherapy, law of attraction coaching, and I am now really ready to share this all with you guys with free content over here and what I now know and can serve you better with. And I'm so passionate about this, and I'm so excited for it. I'm so excited to be able to start changing people's lives on a higher scale and level than just the cleaning content. And I couldn't be happier, and I've kept this very under the radar for the last few months, just whilst I've been studying. And I did the course just so I had the confidence to know that what I was teaching was correct, and I'll be using NLP techniques, and it's just all done properly, and I know that I'm professionally trained. So alongside that, I will now be offering my coaching services as well. So if you want to find out a bit more about my coaching services, then you can check out my newly launched website, which I will leave linked below. And essentially, I'm going to be coaching in business and life coaching, and as well as mindset and manifestation. It's something that I'm so passionate about, something that's completely changed my life, and I can't wait to start sharing it and really making an impact with some of you guys. Alongside that, I know some of you guys are aware, but I launched a YouTube course way back when, last year, and I'm now doing individual YouTube mentoring sessions and coaching sessions as well. So if that's something you're interested in, I will leave that link below as well, so you can go ahead and check that out. There are a few different services, but if you have a YouTube channel already, you're just about to start a YouTube channel, these packages can be completely tailored to what you guys need or want in your life. So if you're one of those, then I would love for you to come on over and have a look and see how I can help you. And over on Instagram, I'm going to be sharing so much more free content as well about life, business, manifestation, and all the normal jazz that goes on over there. So if you don't follow me over there, I will leave my handle on the screen for you to come on over and check it out. So this is a completely new journey for me. I'm at a completely different part of my life and I'm so excited to share this. And again, I just want to help inspire and motivate you. And I feel like this is how I can do it and best serve everybody now and best serve myself. So I'm so excited to share this all with you. Every Sunday I will be uploading one video a week. Sometimes it might be a bonus video, but you can expect at least one video a week from me. I have just grown and changed and developed. I've hired a business coach to really help me get intentional with what I want out of 2021. And I'm just so excited for that and what lies ahead. And I'm so excited to start helping you guys as well. So yeah, that's my update. It is a huge change. There's going to be a huge change to my channel. And yeah, I just hope that you guys, if you're interested in that content, will stick around. But if you don't, thank you for supporting me for the last 4 years. And yeah, that's about it really. So I'm gonna toodle off now. I have so much more content that I need to get sorted for the upcoming weeks. And next week there's gonna be a video focused around how to budget. I've had this question so many times before. So it's going to be how to budget and the exact budget that I use as well. So if you're interested in that, make sure you do subscribe. But yeah, I will see you all again next Sunday for another video. And have a lovely week. Bye guys. I'm thinking of you. I'm thinking of you. Wondering if you're thinking about me too. Now it's too